Remember my inside of the windshield cleaning video that's gone viral? Well, I've got an even simpler, faster, and easier way that uses less tools to get crystal clear results. We're talking under 90 seconds with 0 streaks. If you haven't seen the original method, I'll link it in the description down below. But here's the game changer that makes this process even better. Instead of just the Dawn and water, I'm now adding quick evaporating 70% alcohol to the mix.
So our cleaning solution consists of 2 ounces of distilled water and 1 ounce of 70% isopropyl alcohol. Now we're going to be pouring that into our spray bottle, and to that spray bottle we're also going to be adding 3 drops of Dawn dishwashing detergent. Now if you can't find distilled water locally, you can just do what I did here. Just get a bottle of Smart Water drinking water and use that instead. It has very low mineral content, so that works perfectly. And by the way, the Dawn and water do the cleaning, while the alcohol and distilled water makes the residual evaporate quickly, which leaves no streaks or water spots. Rotate the spray bottle a couple times to make sure the water is mixed, and check the spray pattern that it's nice and fine. Spray 3 spritzes onto the invisible glass microfiber wand, but be sure to spray outside of the car, away from the interior. Notice how I spray in 3 different areas onto the applicator to make it evenly damp, but not soaking wet. All you're doing is lightly dampening the applicator. Wipe over the windshield, doing 1/2 at a time. Wipe side to side and up and then down, and then around the perimeter. Then move to the other side. There are 2 lengths of wand available. If you have short arms or have a long, steep windshield, like in an SUV, I recommend a longer one. Now we're going to add 2 more spritzers onto that applicator. It's already somewhat damp, and do the driver's side of the windshield exactly the same way. So my original method video, it took 120 seconds. This method took 90 seconds. That's 30 seconds faster with better results, and it's a whole lot easier. These 3 quick tips make all the difference. Don't do this on aftermarket tinted windshields. Yes, it's important to use distilled water to avoid those water spots, and make sure you do this out of the sun. The alcohol quickly evaporating any residual left on the glass. And since the distilled water has no mineral content, there are no water droplets on your windshield once dry.
If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more DIY car care videos. Drop a comment when you try this method. I read every single one. Now this isn't a sponsored video, but links to the exact tools and products I used are in the description down below. Now you need to know the best way to quickly wash your car. Click here and I'll show you how.